Today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely chocolate cake you're seeing right here. So soft. I know this why you are here. So don't forget to like this video. If you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop video, you will get an alert. Seriously, subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my newest video. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Okay, let's get started. Ingredients for this chocolate cake: your baking powder and baking soda, eggs, flour 3 cups, black charcoal 1 tablespoon, hot water 1.5 cups, cocoa powder 1.5 cups, sugar 2.5 cups. You can add more, up to 3 cups if you want. Buttermilk. This buttermilk, you can prepare yours. If you can get the original, you can use your milk and vinegar. Just half tablespoon of vinegar to your milk. Chocolate flavor and vanilla flavor. And I'll be using my melted butter. You can see it in the stainless plate. I didn't raise it up, so I'll be using melted butter also. So, and that is all. Add in your cocoa powder to a bowl and you add your hot water. If you're watching my video, I believe you need to get your pen and paper. So from the beginning, you write down the ingredients. I am taking my time this time around to write. Okay, add in the hot water and you mix together to activate your cocoa powder. Today I'll be using my hand mixer to mix this. Please, if you don't have hand mixer, feel free to use your turning stick or your egg whisk to do this. It will still come out beautiful. Just I'm busy today. I'm really I have a lot to do in the house, so I have to use my hand mixer today. So feel free to use your egg whisk. Your turning stick is pretty okay. Add in the melted butter and you continue mixing. When you're sure everything has dissolved very well, you start adding in your eggs. For the eggs, please add one after the other to be at a safer side so that you will not add any bad one inside your mixture. Just take your time and add one after the other. Go ahead to add in your sugar. Keep on mixing on a low speed. Add in the both flavors too. Yes, add in the both flavor. That's 3 teaspoons of each. Add in all your milk butter. Little at a time, you pour everything in. Sieve in your baking powder and baking soda to your flour and you mix together, and you start adding them in bit by bit as you mix. Take your time to incorporate all the ingredients together. And that is all. Grease your pan with vegetable oil or butter and you dust it with cocoa powder. You can put your baking paper or brown paper, but I'm using normal exercise book paper today. You can see what I have here. So I'll be pouring in my batter. Tap on the table to close up all air bubbles. And you take it straight to your oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes and you start checking. But after 30 minutes, my cake was ready. You can see it's out. So immediately I will turn it over and remove the paper and wrap it up. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. And don't forget to like this video. Please feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Follow me on Instagram. We can be chatting one-on-one. Share your pictures of your own experience, the cakes you have tried from this channel. I would love to see them. Feel free to chat me on Instagram at Progressive Cakes. Don't forget, I'll be putting the handle at the top. You will see the handle at the top. Don't forget, chat me up on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks. Bye bye.